MHT-CET crash course. Again, this is the offline batch, and this is going to be conducted in the Pune Vedantu Learning Center, and the batch is starting on 12th of March, just couple of days after your state board examination. So make sure you are enrolled in this, especially if you think that you are not prepared, or sometimes you might think that you are prepared just because you're preparing for other competitive exams like JEE NEET. But trust me, MHT-CET is a very competitive exam, and it is nothing like it. I mean, it's
Again, there is
crazy.
an
The
offer, no,
pattern,
sir?
the number of questions, difficulty is very different. Guys.
Obviously, again, there's an offer.
Yeah.
There's often going on.
Yeah, and this is also the price. See, usual price is 20,000 rupees, but we are giving it to you at 14,999 only for the next 2 days. And when we say it, we mean it, guys. So you don't want to
Again,
really,
it's going to be 20,000.
Yeah.
You do have to wait. No, don't wait. Just run now. This is going to be in Maharashtra. It's full entire.
Yeah, completely.